This video will be going over a solution to problem number 12 from 2018's district contest called Raymond. In this problem, Raymond just learned about the complement, which is a operation that basically takes the binary value of a 2's complement integer and changes all the zeros to ones and all the ones to zeros. He wants to write a program that just displays a number and its complement next to each other. So we're going to be reading in some numbers all in one line and then outputting the number next to their complement. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I've got my imports, my scanner. We don't know how many integers we're reading in, so I'm just going to have another while loop. So while in.hasNext. Let's just say int n equals n.next int. We know they're integers, and it's just going to read in one at a time this way. Okay. So this one's actually going to be a pretty short program because we're going to use printf. So out.printf. We want to output a decimal value, a space, and another decimal value. And the first number is the number itself, and the second one is its complement. And the symbol for complement, or the operator for complement in Java is a tilde, which is up next to the 1. You shift and the button just to the left of 1. So we say tilde n. Don't forget my new line because I always forget that. I'm going to save. I press F1, run my code. And let's compare with the output. 1213, 445, 6, and so on. And so that's actually the program. That's all there is to it. So if you didn't know what complement was before now, well, now you do. That will show up on the written part of the test as well. So there you go. That's all. Thank you.